happen to you, it happens for you. How do I know this? I don't. Now here is going to be a player in your life. You get to decide how much. All there will ever be. What's happening? I'm saying. I'm making a sound. And that's the important thing. That's what I'm here to do. I was concerned about going out into the world and doing something bigger than myself. You are ready and able to do beautiful things in this world. Wake the fuck up. Love